Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. And today I was just thinking about I was just playing crazy a bit for like a bit. Then I thought about how what if I built something that I can defend myself with. It doesn't fly, it's easy to control, and it basically shoots people. Well, I already have a turret and a laser. Yeah, which I'll show you guys later in a later video. But I wanted something easy. So, I thought, what if I built a turret? Yeah. And my friend James, you guys all know him. His videos are like how to install ACS, blah blah blah. Yeah, he's a pretty nice guy. He's good at designing. Yeah, he's a great Roblox player. He's rich. And why not I improve some of his things, make a better version. Well, we actually make the same things a lot of times, like a space shuttle, a airplane, whatever. Oh God, what is that? Is that a whale? I don't know. Okay, now today I will be showing you guys how to make a turret. Yeah, like an improved version of James' turret. And if you want to see it, write down in the comments below, and I'll decide if I should show James's turret in a future video. Okay, now let's get started. Now, first thing you need is a anchored block, which is down here. And I recommend building like a 3x3 base instead of a 5x5, because 5x5s are kind of big. So I like 3x3s. Now, I'm just gonna paint all of this white, because I like it that way. Make everything like extra bright. What is this? Wait, hold on. Let me just turn all of these white. There we go. Now, we have the anchored blocks. Now, here's a little exploit here. Since these are anchored blocks, once I put them up here, they will not fall down once I press the test button. Now, I'm not gonna do that now, so I'm just gonna move it down here. And now let's just get started with the complicated stuff. Not complicated, but yeah. Okay, now just put some wedges on the edges like this. Don't put them in the corners, because we'll use corner wedges for those. And yeah, now pull out your corner wedges. Yay, and then put them there, and there, and there. Now it looks like a platform. Yeah, there. So, as you guys know, we need motors. And when I first started playing crazy, I had no idea how to make things turn. So I decided to watch some YouTube videos. Yeah, and that's how I got to know motors are a thing. Now, yeah. So motors, there, and like that. Yeah, this is perfect. This is what we need. Okay? Now, these are able to turn. Now I need to customize these into WASD. So this thing should be like that and like that. This probably, yeah, I'll do that for now. Later, if I need to change that, I'll do it. Yeah. Now, yeah. Basically, you shove your own. Yeah, I think you shove your own seat right there. Nice little seat right there. I think. Maybe. Actually, no. Yeah. Screw this design. Yeah. I said I would make a different design to than James's. Yeah, and I'll do that. Like this. Then you shove your own seat right there. Then what you do is make like, hold on. Yeah. So you get two wedges from here and to put it there and there, and then you basically just put down two motors like here and here. Actually, no, that's gonna get stuck because it's not doing that. Yeah, so there, and shove the motors like there. There we go. Perfect. Now, what you want to do now is to put this entire line of guns here, just like all your guns, to give it more power. Yeah, that is a long line of guns, and even though there are spaces in it, it's gonna hold itself together, believe me. Now, what you want to do, since you're sitting here, and mostly I recommend using first person for this next move. If you don't want to use first person, that's fine. But after what I do, I believe you're gonna use first person on this. Yeah. Now, what you wanna do is to get a wing panel 1x1, smack it there. No, not like that. Like that. Okay? Now we get a delta wing 1x1. Or a wing panel 1x1, it doesn't matter. Like that. And it looks pretty ugly like this, but you'll get the point. There. What? Wait, what? Short intermission. So, what you want to do is put two half blocks under that, so that's gonna hold there. Yeah. Then when we go to first person, you see, it's a little aim cross. How beautiful. Yeah, and also one quick step. Turn on a. Whoops. Yeah, one doesn't matter, I guess. Yeah, turn on physics. So this thing can actually turn. Now do that for all 9 or 8 if you have my case. Yeah, if you accidentally delete some of them, yeah, just put them all on physics. There. Now they're anchored. What? It's supposed to work. Work! Why aren't you working? You're supposed to work. A and D. It's powered. Are you not powered? Hold on. Let me just check. If you have this problem, yeah, I think it's because of the anchored box. I'm gonna just delete some of these. Like, I'll leave like 1. Yeah. Now just fill the rest of the holes in. Oh man, how OCD. There. This should be good. Are you good, mate? Do you need to be deleted? I think you should. It's barely moving. I can see that it's moving. Yeah, but the entire thing is moving. How? Is it you? Is it because you're a cylinder there? You're supposed to work. Or do I need to put you upside down, sir? Okay, I'm just gonna fix this problem. If you wanna skip this step, if you wanna skip this part of the video, I recommend doing it. And because I don't have a video editing software yet, so I think it's because there's too much weight. There's a lot of weight. Oh God, it's a death spinner. Why are people obsessed with death spinners? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little death spinner thingy here. Let me change you into AD. Oh! There we go! Now you're working. You're just shaking. Why are you shaking? You're not supposed to shake. Yeah. And let me put one there, and I suppose I could put, yeah, why not put down an anchored block? There, and there, yeah, there. Yeah, that should be good. Yay, we're good. Now, just change the controls. If it's upside down, please put it into da. That's how I remember things. It's da. Yeah. Then, you see this long line of things? We have to change this for W and S. Yeah. So if you're a PvP mode fan, use this. I highly recommend it. What? Hold on a second. Huh? Oh. Is it because, like, that? There. Now you have a little aim cross. Yeah, but the problem is you have to go with it. Yeah, actually, forget what I said about first person. Shove a camera right there. Now we're good. Look, you can aim anywhere. There we go. You guys like that? It's a little like anti-aircraft. Yeah. So if you want to add a little something more to it, why not just put like a wedge like that, and then turn it into glass. Put it glass, and then there. Yeah, and then if you add a little something more to it, because it kind of looks boring, it's just one long line. I recommend doing this. Look. So you get wing panels 1x3. I actually got this idea from James. Okay, so big shout out to no. Wait, what? Yeah, there. Oh God. There. Perfect. We got like a little anti-aircraft thingy going on here. Yeah, actually move that one backwards. Yay, it's an anti-aircraft. Now, actually just add a delta wing 1x1 here and here. There. Now you got yourself a anti-aircraft. There. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.